catch the right bus and the right bus driver. So we were lucky enough that this bus driver let us have a private ride because we were running late. Well, cheers everybody, and what's up? It's Nick from Hudak Travel. Now we are running fast because we're a little bit late today. But we still had enough time to stop into the club, grab little man his blue cup, a little bit of water, and we're gonna be running to our flight to Orlando. So even the best of you sometimes run a little late. We had a big problem with traffic, so hopefully the rest of the day goes a little bit smoother. Come along and we'll find out if it does go smoother. So this is the lounge in C as in Charlie. It's a little bit smaller, and they have a little bit smaller of a selection of food, but they do have some food. And of course there is a bar. All right, well, we made it to the gate and we are just about to get on. Little man's having a little snack, so we made it. So all it is left to do is just get on the plane, sit down, and before we know it, well, that's gone, and we'll be in Orlando, and with the land of the House of Mouse. So here's to a good flight. You know, this is always a highlight of his trip. Show your little one the plane and everything that's going on around. There's a lot of activity that they love to see. And I'm not gonna lie, I like watching it too. All right, I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, well, now wait, I thought little man was 2 and he needs a mask. Well, he does. But what we're doing right now is we are waiting until the last minute. So we're on the plane and then giving him his mask. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen him before, but we have what we refer to as a binky mask. We've actually put a binky inside the mask and we'll give him that. So he'll actually keep that mask on for a while. So it's a whole new ball game, and I'm a little nervous. We'll see how it goes. All right, so we did just get told that we have a little bit of delay, only about 10 or 15 minutes. The plane that we are going on arrived a little bit late, so they're deplaning and they're cleaning. So that means walk around the airport a little bit and try to entertain little man and maybe wear him out a little bit too. So, hey, this is what happens with travel. You gotta roll with it. And so we are doing our best to entertain him. He did have a pretty long nap on the way here, so most likely isn't gonna sleep on the plane. And it sounds like we might have to head back because he wants mama right now. All right, so he wanted his bink, so we went ahead and gave him his mask. And we're just about ready to get on board. So we had him walk around a little bit. He did get to see mama for a minute. And hey, this is the first time we don't get to pre-board. So hey, we are in boarding group 1, and we will take advantage of the extra time too. Somebody's trying to smile for the camera. All right, this is a new adventure. He's got his own seat. He's been a lap infant the whole time, so hey, we'll see how this one goes. Here we go, buddy. Hey, look, you can see all the way through the plane, kiddo.
Hello, how are you?
Doing all right? How about yourself?
Good, thanks. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. And I've got a gift for the flight crew from the little man.
Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
What color is this? Blue.
Him having his seat is well, we made it. We are on the, well, I call it the People Mover, the first tram in the Orlando airport. So we are heading out, and good flight. He was good for the most part. So we're gonna go head to our rental car. All right, so we ended up with a Nissan Rogue, and as always, doing the, and it is warm here, but doing the walk around to make sure that there is nothing wrong, considering I actually got a $200 bill for the last car that we had, but it is looking good, so we are gonna head out. All right, well, we made it. And little man is out. Obviously a hard travel day. We've made it to our hotel, the Holiday Inn Disney Springs, and we are gonna go shopping. So we'll take you along with that and see how we do over a week here in Orlando. We definitely need some stuff in our room, so come along and we'll do some shopping. All right, well, we decided that we would stop at Target, and of course, little man likes to ride in the cart. We have, only the essentials, some Easy Mac milk, of course, Go-Go squeezes, and little man is ready for a nap. Well, actually, sleep. It's almost 8 p.m., so we've been doing this a while. So we ended up getting some pizza at Mia's Pizzeria, and there is a heck of a storm coming, so we're gonna try to beat that real quick. All right, well, we made it, we had dinner, and now we are ready for bed and a fun day at Epcot with some good friends tomorrow. So we'll get a sign off here, and can you say goodnight, buddy?
Hi.
Well, we're gonna say goodbye, and thanks for watching.